Hello, I'm Trifans Papadopoulos. This is gonna be a quick video about standard commands to create and use a Python virtual environment from the command shell, and particularly for Windows. Okay, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna open here, command prompt window. We're gonna see with cd / we go to save, and then we choose the folder we want. So it is, for us it is Python programs wp local both. So now we are here, we're gonna do the commands are python and then and now we have to type then / scripts activate. As you see, now we have this venv at the beginning, and then it's the full path. So now if we run python map app 3.py, it works. So now if we want to deactivate, we are ready to go. And in case we want to add it somewhere, we just do a print screen here. Okay. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful.